Hello guide. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscript. Let's listen together.
In 2026, while modern smartphone batteries, lithium-ion, are highly advanced, using your phone while it is plugged in still carries some notable disadvantages. Here are the primary drawbacks of using your phone during a charge. 1. Excessive heat. The battery killer. This is the most significant disadvantage. Both charging the battery and running the phone's processor generate heat. Double thermal stress. When you do both at once, the heat accumulates. Constant exposure to high temperatures accelerates the chemical aging of the battery, permanently reducing its capacity over time. Intensive tasks. Using high-energy apps like 3D games, 4K video streaming, or GPS navigation while charging creates the most heat and is the most damaging. 2. Slower charging speeds. When you use your phone while it's plugged in, the power coming from the charger is split, divided power. Some electricity goes toward running the screen and processor, while only the leftover power goes to the battery, throttling. If the phone detects it is getting too hot from your usage, its safety systems will intentionally slow down the charging speed even further to prevent overheating. 3. Mini cycles and battery stress. Using the phone while charging can cause a phenomenon called parasitic load. Irregular cycles. The battery can be forced to switch rapidly between charging and discharging. This prevents the battery from completing a clean charge cycle, which can confuse the battery management system and slightly increase wear. Voltage stress. Batteries are under the most stress when they are near 100%. If you use the phone while it is at 100% and plugged in, it stays in a high voltage state for longer, which is not ideal for long-term health. Point 4. Physical damage to the port. Cable strain. Using the phone while it's tethered to a wall often leads to pulling, bending, or yanking the cable. Over time, this can loosen the internal charging port, USB-C or Lightning, leading to fickle charging or the need for an expensive hardware repair. Point 5. Potential performance lag. Thermal throttling. To protect the internal components from the heat of both charging and usage, the phone may throttle the CPU. This results in lower frame rates in games, stuttering in videos, or general sluggishness. Best practices for 2026. If you must use your phone while it's charging, follow these tips to minimize damage. Stick to light tasks. Texting or reading is fine. Avoid gaming or heavy video editing. Remove the case. If your phone feels hot, take off the protective case to let heat escape. Use bypass charging. Some modern gaming phones have a feature that sends power directly to the processor instead of the battery when plugged in. Use this if your phone supports it. Stop at 80%. If you are using the phone, try to unplug it once it hits 80% to avoid the high-stress zone of a full charge. Please.
3, 2, 1. Thank you. See you next video.